Hey everybody. Well, I'm back and I was very sick when I was starting to do this DIY. And I was going to do a voiceover after I was done, but my voice still isn't right. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put you to music. And this is something that I saw from Tuesday morning, and I'm putting my own spin on it and making my own. I will show you a picture of one that a friend of mine has so you can see what I was trying to recreate. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch what I'm doing with music. Take care. Hey, everybody. Well, I am here to do a Easter DIY, and I saw this with people from Tuesday morning buying this particular uh, ceramic piece, and I thought that I would show you my take on it. First, I don't have any Tuesday mornings around me anymore, and they are going out of business. So what I did is I had a friend that got one send me the picture, and I'm studying the picture and going to do my own thing. So what I'm going to use chalk paint, and I went to Lowe's and got some, I think these are 5x5s or 6x6s, pieces of tile. They were going on clearance, actually. I mean, I could leave it like this, but I don't want to. So I'm going to paint this with chalk paint. Then I got one of the eggs from Dollar Tree, okay? And I like this because it has a flat edge, so it's going to help me. I was going to leave it this yellow, but I'm not. I'm going to paint this as well. Then at Dollar Tree, they had these in the little packages that you paint, and they come with that little paintbrush and the 3 colors. I was going to use those, but then I saw these bunnies at Target, and these are going to work much better. Okay. And I got 2 packages, so I could use 4 or 3. But let me show you how this sits. Okay. It sits perfect because it has these blocks. I'm going to use a 4th one back here. I'm not going to paint the bunnies. I may do their ears, some polka dots. I'm not sure. I might just leave them the way they are because I could use these because I do have bunnies in my regular decor in my living room. And I'm not going to glue down any of this because then I can take the egg off and I can store everything much easier. The last thing, it goes on a candle holder, okay? So this is the color it came. This is from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to one more time paint this, and then I will probably, I don't know if I'm going to check some of it or I'm not sure. But the other thing, I'm going to take my stencils, okay, and I got these stencils on Amazon, and there's different sizes. Okay, they have this biggest one, and I'm going to put that on the egg, I believe. And then I think I'm going to use, and this is the tiniest one, I think I'm going to use this on this holder. So it's going to be more of the diamond shape, the Harlequin, instead of the checks on this. So those are the things I'm using to create this. So I am going to go ahead. Now, I know all of you know how to paint. So I'm not going to take the time to, paint all of this. I'm just wondering if I'm just going to paint it this way. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paint the egg, and it'll probably take 2 coats. And then I'm going to paint this. See how it goes on just for the heck of it. Yeah, it's going to go on fine. And then after I'm done, I'll seal it. Cool. So anyway, I'm going to do a couple coats on both of these and paint this one more time with the chalk paint, and then I'll be back. So I'm making over something I saw from Tuesday morning, and I'll show you a picture. And I'll just go through the process and let you watch what I do. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, Daveda. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, Daveda. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a toothpick, dip it in the white, and make these tiny little dots, but it's going to bring your eye up to the base here and the bunnies. I needed some white in this. So I'm doing 3 dots. And the white makes the colors pop. Yep, it adds to it. I'll do a close-up for you guys when I'm done so you can... Okay, so that's done. See how the white just adds? Now I'm going to do the same up here. Okay, that's very subtle. You can hardly see it, but that's okay. Let this dry. And I'm going to use the gloss. Let me see what it looks like. Let me do the bottom. Always do the bottom of something where you can't see it before you just start going for it. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use the gloss. It'll make a big difference on the egg. I am going to use the Mod Podge. So I've got the top of the egg done. So while the top of the egg's drying, and I'll help it along with my heat gun, I'm going to do the tile. Okay, let that dry. I'll wait until that's good and dry and then I'll do that. In the meantime, I think I am going to put little black dots in their ears, and that's all I'm going to do with that. Yeah, that's going to give it just enough. Okay, I'll let that sit a little bit more, and then I only have a little bit more to do. Gout. I always get these from Dollar Tree. Okay. I'm not going to try to do squares in these ears. They're so little. Okay, I'm going to finish Mod Podging this, and then I'll be back to show you with it finished. Okay, this is the one I saw that I wanted to try to make, and this is mine.